Hello everyone, my name is Juan Manuel Vallejo. I am student of the Engineering Industrial in Universidad Abierta Nacional y a Distancia. Below I will present the case study presentation suggested by the GATE. The case is the Demon Supermarket. Student Juan Manuel Vallejo, day September 22, 2023. Character: Joaquín Pérez, role entrepreneur. Maria, he is the wife. Pedro is another son. Ana, first daughter, and Sofia, the second daughter. The studies correspond to the everybody, anybody. The bachelor, Maria is the secretary in technical career. Pedro, the son, is a technical bachelor. Anna, the first daughter, is actually is coursing the 10th semester industrial engineering. Sofia, daughter, second daughter, is in 8th semester of agronomy on emphasis on biotechnology. Problemas facing in supermarket management. The first, poorly structured organization. Another is excessive spending and mismanagement in the company's income. Bad credit investment, operational inefficiency, problems in the supply chain, non-compliance with INVIMA regulations. The process and the term annuals are not defined. Workers do not have social benefits and medical insurance. Communication not effective for clients. Regarding competition, definite organizational structure. He controlled definite organizational structure. Infrastructure equipped with advanced specializations. Best and wider offer and best prices. And environmental conditions, extensive tourist and commercial development, growth opportunity, need for natural products, and the farmers associations, opening of a new higher education center. Thanks.